Welcome, my friends. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I want to share with you a simple but profoundly powerful technique for manifesting your heart's desires. This practice centers around placing a glass of water underneath your bed and infusing that water with your hopes, dreams, and intentions while you sleep. I learned this practice many years ago from the inspirational teacher, Louise Hay. Louise taught that intentionally setting visualizations and affirmations before sleep allows them to bypass the logical mind and go straight into the subconscious. In this receptive state, right before sleeping and dreaming, our subconscious becomes highly impressionable and open to new programming. Louise also emphasized the incredible creative power that resides within each of us. By clearly stating our desires and believing intrinsically that they have already been fulfilled, we allow the universal creative force to orchestrate the people, resources, and events to match the vibration of what we have declared. Placing the glass of water under the bed provides a visual anchor and amplifier for this intention setting. So believe deeply now in your ability to harness this innate creative power within you and direct it consciously towards your dreams. Your intentions infused into the water under your bed act as a homing signal, allowing all the pieces to come into alignment in divine right order. Are you ready to learn how it works? The first step in this water manifestation technique is choosing a suitable glass vessel to hold your dreams. Select a beautiful glass that you feel drawn to on an intuitive level. The size and shape are less important than its resonance with you personally. Once you've selected your ideal glass, take some time washing it carefully while consciously focusing your energy into the glass. Infuse it with feelings of love, optimism, expectancy, and soul-deep faith that your highest good is already unfolding. See this glass as a symbolic representation of your receptivity to life's magical blessings. If you wish, write down a few concise intention statements that capture the essence of what you desire to manifest on small pieces of paper and place them under this charged water glass. But, as Louise taught, even just a visualized and felt sense of the fulfillment of your desires is enough to transmit this request to spirit. There is profound power in wordless transmission from heart and soul to universal mind. That completes the vessel preparation phase. Next, we'll discuss how placing this programmed glass under your bed overnight allows profound alchemy to occur while you dream. Now that you've consciously charged your water vessel, the next step is taking this potential manifestation amplifier and sealing it under your bed as you sleep. Why under the bed specifically? Well, in many ancient traditions, the space underneath one's bed is believed to be energetically connected to the dream state and the more powerful subconscious dimensions of the psyche. By tucking your intention-infused water into this potent portal zone, its vibrational transmission field remains active throughout the night, broadcasting your manifestation request directly into your subconscious. Scientific studies of the sleeping brain also reveal that neural activity and brainwave states are exceptionally receptive to reprogramming during certain key sleep phases. The proximity of the water seems to allow for sympathetic resonance and a free flow of ideas between deep mind and water vessel overnight. When you awaken, You may even find creative solutions, sudden insights, or paradigm shifts regarding your intentions planted within your consciousness. Remember, transformation sometimes happens gradually, so relax and release expectations of exactly how your desires might materialize. The water has already conveyed your message to the quantum field. An essential key to this entire water manifestation process ties back to Louise Hay's core teaching, inherent self-worth. At our deepest core, we must know that we deserve our heartfelt desires. Self-love and acceptance provide the fertile ground into which our seeds of potential can take root. Spend time before bed looking into your own eyes in the mirror, saying affirmations like, "I now choose to recognize and accept my self-worth. I open myself to receive life's abundant blessings." Or Louise's favorite, "I deserve the very best in life, and I accept it now. I am safe, secure, and divinely guided at all times." Feel the resonance of worthiness as a soul truth reverberating through every cell of your being. Any lingering doubts come from distortions or past conditioning, not the realm of absolute truth. You can choose differently now. Anchor this new perspective firmly into the glass of water as well, where it can amplify and broadcast your new beliefs about deservedness each night. As much as we might wish it, most desires do not materialize instantly, even when channeled through amplified intention rituals like this water technique. There is a gestation period allowing for the reorganization of people, resources, and events to weave the tapestry of your fulfillment request. Just as a sunflower seed in winter soil cannot force itself to blossom on demand, so too does our co-creation with Spirit operate according to seasons and natural rhythms of renewal. The personal transformation or breakthrough you seek may require time and gradual steps before reaching full flowering. Honor the perfect timing of the universe. Trust in divine right order rather than demanding rushed results. Louise Hay reminds us that sometimes letting go looks like making space for better aligning with what we asked for in the first place. Our job is to hold the vision, infuse it with love regularly, and release unreasonable expectations around the timing or form in which the seed germinates. Your intentions will manifest at the right moment. Until then, relax and know the perfection of where you currently are, right here and now, is already more than enough. After a period of patient trust and surrender, you will start to notice gradual external evidence that your water-warded desires are precipitating into physical reality. These signs will build in frequency and tangibility the longer the glass charges under your bed each night. Begin observing little miracles or remarkably fortuitous coincidences bubbling up in accordance with the dreams you had affirmed. Conversations seem to manifest out of nowhere around related topics. Sudden impulse decisions guide you effortlessly toward the next right action steps. Doors open, allowing greater access to abundance. Know that these promising developments shine as positive indication that energetic cohesion is taking place between your intentions and the world of form. As quantum physics reveals, the observer influences outcome. Therefore, stay centered in gratitude and optimism regardless of external circumstances. Bless each unfolding miracle, no matter how small, as a louder announcement of the coming main attraction just over the horizon. Your receptivity allows the universal intelligence to overflow ever more creativity into your awakening reality. Once tangible evidence satisfies you that your dreams have fully ripened into reality, there comes a final symbolic step to integrate this intention manifestation process. Just as water was the initial vessel receiving and amplifying your vision, water again plays the role of conductor to close the ritual circuit. Upon awakening one morning, reach beneath your bed to reverently retrieve the glass that has patiently held space these many months for your highest unfoldment. Giving thanks, bring the glass close to your lips and drink in the sweet nectar of achievement. Sense completion as the flow of co-creation comes full circle inside your body temple. The sacred chalice transmuting thought into thing, now flooding every cell with its liquid prayer answered. Know that all along divine mind within and divine mind beyond this world have conspired to gift you your heart's desire according to perfect timing. Not a single dream or soul-held vision can fail to find its way through the ether into expression when infused with love and conscious direction of will. Drink deeply now, allowing joy and self-realization to course through mind, body, and spirit, as the final crumbs of limitation dissolve back into the wellspring of infinite possibility. All that you envisioned has at last become tangible experience. But this proves merely a prelude to even greater adventures yet to come. When we conclude this exploration of the intriguing water manifestation ritual, remember that your mind holds boundless power when beliefs and actions flow in harmony toward your deepest good. While results may not seem immediate, retain faith that all life mirrors back to us evidence of our dominant states of consciousness over time. Therefore, stay grounded in gratitude for each sign of progress, both within and without. I hope you found insight from this video on how placing a glass of water under your bed can amplify intentions while you sleep. Let us know in the comments your thoughts and experiences with manifestation techniques. Have you noticed changes in dream states or in waking life during or after practicing a similar approach? Please like, share, and subscribe to encourage more consciousness-expanding content. And may your heartfelt dreams soon eclipse even your most passionate imaginings. The creative potential hiding in plain sight all around you awaits only bold expectation to unlock its hidden treasures. Allow magic into your lived experience. You deserve nothing less.